What's the meaning of burette? Burette. Burette.
Burette. Burette. A burette is a laboratory instrument used for precisely measuring and dispensing liquids. It is a long, thin, graduated tube with a stopcock at the bottom and a tapered tip at the top. The liquid being measured is dispensed by slowly opening the stopcock and allowing it to flow out through the tip. The graduations on the burette tube allow for precise measurement of the volume of liquid dispensed. Burettes are commonly used in experiments that require accurate titrations or volumetric analysis. They are typically made of glass and can hold up to 50 milliliters of liquid.